A Chime transfer usually fails when the payment method is unsupported, the bank connection drops, or Chime flags the transaction for security review before it can go through. By the end, you'll know exactly why your Chime transfer is failing, how to fix it step by step, and what to check so it processes successfully next time. Start with the transfer type. Chime handles internal transfers differently from external bank transfers and debit card payments. If you're sending money to an unsupported account type, or using a method Chime doesn't fully support, the transfer can fail immediately without much explanation. Next, check your linked bank or card connection. If your external bank connection is expired, disconnected, or outdated, Chime won't be able to complete the transfer. Reconnecting your bank or re-adding your debit card forces a fresh authorization and often fixes failed transfers right away. Now look at account verification status. If your identity or account verification is incomplete, Chime can block or reject transfers for security reasons. Completing any pending verification steps inside the app is required before transfers will go through normally again. Another common issue is insufficient available balance. If your balance doesn't cover the transfer amount plus any pending holds or recent transactions, the transfer may fail, even if it looks like funds are available. Checking your available balance instead of your total balance helps avoid this issue. Now consider transaction limits and security flags. Chime monitors transfers for unusual activity. Large or repeated transfers, new devices, or sudden changes in behavior can trigger temporary blocks. These blocks usually clear after a short waiting period or after confirming account activity. Also check for app or system glitches. Outdated app versions, cached data issues, or temporary server problems can cause transfers to fail, even when everything else is correct. Updating the app, restarting your phone, and trying again after a few minutes often resolves this. Here's the simple breakdown. Chime transfer failures usually come from unsupported transfer types, broken bank connections, verification issues, insufficient available balance, security flags, or temporary app glitches. Do this next. Reconnect your bank or card, confirm your identity is fully verified, check your available balance, update the app, and retrieve the transfer after restarting your phone. Then wait a few minutes before trying again if it still fails. If transfers continue to fail, your account may be under a temporary security review, and waiting usually resolves it without any extra action. Fixing these steps restores normal transfer function for most users.